Look at what €1,200,000 can get you in Larnaca Marina area with beautiful panoramic views. We have a fully equipped modern kitchen with an integrated fridge freezer and fully equipped modern German appliances meal. Let's go outside. We have an obstructed view of the sea, the new Larnaca Marina area, and the view of the city centre. We have a beautiful, cozy living area with high ceilings where you can sit down and enjoy the sea view. What else do you need? Let's go and see the rest of the apartment. Here you have the guest bathroom. And going through, we have the separated bedrooms. Through, we have the beautiful master bedroom with its own ensuite. We have the first separated bedroom. Then we have the second bedroom. And then you have the shared bathroom.